we're gonna make Curious George. You like Curious George? Nah. You can call me Big T. And you can call him Little T. Hi everyone. Welcome to Tea Time. My name is Thaathwik and that's Thadwith. The things you'll need is a hard white piece of paper or cardboard. Then you'll need one pipe cleaner. You'll need 4 markers, a pink marker, a black marker, a light brown, and a dark brown. Then you'll need some googly eyes, buttons, or you can just color the eyes on. Then some glue, some scissors, a popsicle stick, and that's it. Okay, so on the white piece of paper, the hard white piece of paper or cardboard, you'll have to draw a circle. You can use some kind of bottle cap or cup to draw that circle. Then draw a conga drum shape. Then you'll need an avocado kind of shape, which will go into that circle, and then an oval kind of shape which will go into the conga drum. And then you'll need 2 big D's and then 2 little D's inside the big D's, which will make the ears. Now, let's cut. So we've cut out the outlines, and now we just have to do the other steps. Coloring. For the conga drum and the circle, we're going to color with dark brown. For the oval and the avocado, we'll color light brown. For the ears, we're going to use dark brown and light brown. Let's get coloring. So we've colored the avocado, the circle, the cute little ears, the tummy, and the inside tummy. So now, let's glue. So first, take the circle and the avocado shape. Then, glue the avocado shape onto the circle. So I'm just going to glue and then paste it on the circle. There we go. See? Okay, now we're going to glue the head to the outer tummy. See? Starting to look like George, isn't it? Okay. Now we'll take the ears, sticky ears, and put it on the head. Right there. And then take the other one and put it on the opposite side. See? Look. take the inner tummy part, the oval, and paste it into the middle of the outer tummy. Now, let's do the next step. So now, take the pipe cleaner and then cut it, and then fold it down in half, and then cut it right down the middle. So when we cut it right down the middle, we'll be making the tail, the arms, and the legs. Ready? So now we have the tail, the arm, and the legs. Now we're going to tape them on. Now we have finished giving Georgie his hands, legs, and tail. See? We use tape to stick the hands and legs. Now we will use these tiny googly eyes. Wait, let me take it. These tiny googly eyes to make Georgie's eyes. Okay. Let's peel off the sticker from it. The stickers on the googly eyes. Now we'll stick it on to Georgie. Well, remember to take off the cover before you put the googly eyes on. Georgie can see now. Wow, does I nose. Okay, now let's take our marker and draw him a tiny little nose. It's a nose. You can smell. And then his mouth. There we go. Now we'll use a little bit of pink just to show his mouth. See? And the top. Georgie looks good. Now Georgie needs to walk, so we can use a popsicle stick. Let's glue this popsicle stick on, or tape it, whatever you want. I'll actually use tape. Now Georgie can walk. We have a puppet Georgie. Now since I have a little brother called Thadwith, and you can call him Little T, I'll give Georgie to him. You like it?
Bye! Thanks for watching.
Walk, 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 walk.